Hello viewers, let's solve this problem on the board. The question says that find the value of the related angles on the shape below. So this is the shape. So when you look at this shape, you'll find out that this triangle ABC, is an equilateral triangle because the three sides are equal. The symbol here is what shows that these sides are equal. And also we also have another triangle, which is triangle AOC, the triangle inside. This triangle is an isosceles triangle because these two sides are equal. And for an isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, what it means is that the base angles are also equal, meaning that this angle here and this other angle here is equal. So to do this solution, let's consider the triangle inside in order to get the value of A. Considering triangle AOC, which is isosceles. The triangle is isosceles. So when we consider this triangle angle Z and A is equal. The reason is that they are the base angles of an equilateral triangle. So we say that the angle at A plus the angle at Z, okay, that angle at A is equal to the angle at Z, which means that the reason is that they are the base angle of an isosceles triangle. That is the reason. Now, for triangle AOC, sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. That means 130 degrees plus A plus Z, angle at Z, is equal to 180 degrees. The reason is that the sum of interior angles of a triangle, sum of interior angles of a triangle. We have already established that A is equal to Z. So what it means is that 130 degrees plus, we can say that this is A plus A is equal to 180 degrees, since Z is equal to A. So we have that 2A is equal to 130 crossing equality sign. So we have 180 minus 130 degrees. And 2A is equal to 50 degrees. So this implies that A, by dividing both sides by the coefficients of A will be equal to 25 degrees. So the value of A is 25 degrees. So here is 25, and here is also 25, because A is equal to Z. Now, to get the value of Y and Z, we have already established that this triangle ABC is equilateral. And one of the properties of an equilateral triangle is that all the sides of an equilateral triangle are equal and all the interior angles are also equal, which is 60 degrees. The interior angles of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees and all the sides are also equal. So when we consider this angle here, in order to get the value of Y, all of this angle. So by the properties of an equilateral triangle, we have already established that x is equal to 60 degrees. The reason is that it is interior angle of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Now, to get the value of y, a plus y is 60 degrees. Why is it 60? The angle of an equilateral triangle. The same reason here. And a is already 25 degrees plus y equals 60 degrees. So what it means, in order to get the value of y, 25 has to cross equality sign. So we have that y is equal to 60 minus 25. And that will give us 35 degrees. So this is the value of y. I believe this is very simple, and thank you for watching.